How to get rid of blackbirds without getting rid of other birds. Birds are charming and colorful, and can make an interesting addition to your yard or garden. Many people seek to draw birds to their property with bird feeders and birdhouses. But not all birds are created equal. Blackbirds and starlings are large and raucous, and tend to push out smaller birds with their sheer numbers and habit of eating all the food. To get rid of blackbirds in your garden, follow a few simple and humane guidelines. Things you will need: bird spikes, screen/chicken wire, hopper feeders, handsaw, scissors. Instructions for getting rid of blackbirds. Install sets of bird spikes on any flat surface the birds are using for roosting or nesting. Although these spikes are unsightly, they will effectively keep birds from landing or building nests there. Make sure your spikes are designed for large birds like blackbirds. Smaller birds will still be able to land and rest between the spikes. Protect your bird feeders from blackbirds. Use chicken wire or screen to build fences around your bird feeders. Cut small holes in the fence so that only small birds can get through to the food. Switch some of your bird feeders to hopper feeders, which automatically close up when a heavier blackbird lands on the perch. Stop throwing bird seed on the ground. If you've modified your feeders so that blackbirds can't get in, and there's no bird seed on the ground for them, they'll move away. Cut the perches on your open bird feeders shorter, using a small handsaw. Smaller birds will still be able to use them, but blackbirds will be too big. Buy feeders that make birds eat upside down. Blackbirds can't eat that way. Tips: warnings. Destroying a nest of baby birds is cruel and inhumane. Destroy nests before the bird lays eggs, or after the baby birds leave. If you can't drive away your blackbirds, consider studying the birds and learning about the different types of blackbird. Bird poisons are illegal in many districts and may poison all bird species. Killing most birds is illegal in most states,